How do we pick a tea that might be similar to a certain type of wine?
Torrontés benefits from being produced in Argentina from their terroir. It's a high altitude region, so at least 1,000 meters high. You get floral notes. I get hints of jasmine in this. It's beautiful with Asian cuisine, particularly.
If there's a wine, there's a tea to match it.
I picked the Kenya White Whisper. It's a beautiful bud tea, high grown. It is very smooth and fruity and floral.
Both sound really, really lovely. So shall we taste? Oh,
It's lovely. Fragrance is coming through. The lemongrass is stunning.
Very
really
floral.
really
lovely.
beautiful. This is gorgeous, and I completely see what you mean about the floral, fruity flavors. So now that we've tasted it and the notes mirror, is there a food that links both of them together in a pairing?
As I said, Asian cuisine, Thai particularly, lemongrass infused rice with the sticky